Okay, we're Panama Jack room 2416. Okay, when you walk in, you get a pretty good view of the entire room. And here's the bed. It is a king-size bed. And then there's the phone with some nightstands, lights, outlets, the restroom. And here, the windows were a lot more fogged when we started, but we had the door open for a bit to let them clear up. And then here is the closet. So this one has the safe and some shelves that we have the packing cubes and backpacks on. And I think, yeah, so it has a hair dryer up there. Okay. And then next is this closet with an ironing board, I think some laundry bags and robes. The really sad thing though is there aren't any slippers, but you can see we just packed some carry-ons for this trip. So our suitcases are down there. Okay. Next, we're gonna move into the restroom. Nice little artwork here. And then there's like a little counter space and the shower. You can see here it has glass door. It looks like they provide some soap and a little mat so that you don't slip. And they don't really give you much. As far as, this is cod liver oil and charcoal. Charcoal is my one thing that I have to travel with. But, you know, usually they give you like lotions and soaps. This just gives you hand soap and body wash. Okay. Here is the TV. So far, things are looking pretty clean and kind of sleek, which is cool. We'll see what it looks like, because you know, when you spend a little bit more time in a place, you'll get to see different things. But we got the ocean front, so it has a good sized sofa here, 2 chairs and a table, a little coffee table with some nice ropes here. Then when you open this door, you get the ocean view here.